Hello friends, I Dr. Revitu Mane, Computer Science and Engineering Department from Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Karachi. Now up to we have seen the theory part of Python programming. Now we will move to the how actually practicals perform in Python programming. First we will see about here experiment list in the Batu University to offer this subject, that is a totally practical base, that is a teaching scheme available, practicals 2 hours per batch practicals per week, examination scheme, internal assessment 60 mark and external assessment 40 marks. That means external marks divided into your two parts 2020, that is a performance at the time of examinations, and viva oral for the that means 20 marks allow for the examination for performance and 20 marks allow for your oral viva. Now see the experiment list of Python programming. First practical related for installation of Python. We are starting from base to how to install Python, that is related for that. Second, that is a write a program to purposefully raise indentation error and correct it. That means you to form purposefully indentation in program and form to correct it. Third practical related for simple program even and odd number. Find out even and odd number. Just like in C you already perform even and odd number. Here also in Python how to perform even and odd number. Fourth number experiment, that is related for write a program to perform insertion sort. This is data structure related experiment. Fifth number practical, that is a make a simple calculator. That is you can using function to make a simple calculator. Sixth number experiment, write a program for exception handling. That is how to actually exception handling in your programming. 7 number experiment, write a program for file handling. That means whatever your file you learn here theory part, how to actually file programming in your practically to perform. 8 number experiment, that is related for your uh, classes and object. Whatever your classes and object available in Python, you can perform practicals here. 9 number experiment related for write a program for data structure in Python. Those are data structure you've seen, that is your list, tuples, set and data dictionaries. These are data structure available in Python. Here we will see practically how to use in your program. 10 number practical, that is related for your database, that is a write a program for MySQL database access. And 11 number, that is a mini project in a Python. That means you can create your mini project based on that above experiment. This is a mandatory to all students. Each student can submit their own project title and to submit own project. This is not a group based project. You can only simple create a applications. Okay, just like calculator. Here one available calculator, you not create a calculator. Okay, I will show you also some of the demonstration available, what actually project, how to do project created and what type of application created in Python. I will show you that demonstration you also. Now see, we will move about the first experiment, that is the installation of Python. See, this is your experiment number 1, that is a installation of Python. That is the aim of this experiment, running instruction in interactive interpreter and Python script. That is a procedure to install run program in Python. How to run? Simply in order you go to for this particular site, that is www.python.org. When you visit that site for Windows, download page is available. That is a download that tab available. This tab you can go this site. This is screenshot I already put it here. This screenshot, let me search type of website is open and you can click on that particular version, whatever the compatibility with your operating systems. Because some of the student different operating systems, some of the student 64-bit operating system, some of the student 32. All the types of version available here whatever compatibility available in your system, you can download and install. Go to that tab, download, download Python version and install. Then after that, click on the next. After you download, you click on the exe file. Such type of a window is open. That is, select whether to install Python 2.0 here available version 2.7.13. Okay, that is such type of a window available. You can select install for all users these options and to click on next. After click on next, you can search type of a window display, that is a Python 27. Here you want to save for your directory. Path is assigned for here and click on next. If you want to C drive, then mention by default taking C drive path. Otherwise you want to mention D drive, then mention D colon your specific path and click on next button. After that, customization Python 2.7.13. In earlier version is a customization needed, but those are the version latest. That is latest version available in Python, that is 3.7.3. Such type of version not need to be the customizations. Now such type of window is open, and that is this your command prompt after installations. And Python is available, Python GUI, Python command line and command line prompt from the Windows. Then after that, you how to open your Python. That is, go to for your start button, all the program Python 2.7 ideally. You select this, and finally search type of a window is open. That is your command prompt. Then again command prompt you want to go. Then step given here, click on start all programs Python 2.7 and Python, and such type of a command prompt is open. After that, command prompt from Windows. To Windows command prompt, we need to the set path and follow that particular path. In Python, by default available in your open source operating system also. See here, command prompt, this is path tab, window is open. Now you can put your path here, simply right click of your my computer, go to the environmental system properties. The system property, go to for your advanced setting available, environment variable option, go to that tab and edit your system variable path. And finally set that path and that okay. Just like in your Java, setting of the environment variable path, same here setting Python. Okay, this is created for experiment number 1. Now we will see the actual installation of your Python. Now see here some of the setup availables. I have already downloaded that setup because again take some few minutes. I have already downloaded. Go to that particular, this is Python 3.753, the already setup I have downloaded. Simply double click on that exe file. Here latest version available 3.c. In latest version by default available install Python 3.7.3 32-bit. That is, this is compatibility rated for your 32-bit. Now select the install Python. If you select install Python, by default take this path, that is a C users HP app data programming Python 3.7.2. Other customized installation, you want to customize. Those are the path set we have seen that here new version automatically available, add path 3.72 path. That means you no need such type of a procedure in your latest version. This procedure is carried out, that is this procedure. This go to customization and to set that environment path, but here no need for to this diagram. Here you earlier version set the environmental path, but in this case you not to install, simply check mark for this add Python 3.72 path. That means you automatically to by default system take that path. That means you no need to such type of a to installations. Simply then click on install and setup is progress. Now few minutes taken for installations. You will wait for that. Okay, already that experiment I have mentioned here step by step also how to. Those are the new first time to use of systems. Step by step read this manual. You can get the idea how to install and how to that. First visit that site www.python.org and to get download. There is initialization, that means setup installation is going on. Wait for some time. It will take only for 2 to 4 minutes. Now see here, whatever the difference available earlier and latest version you see in your introduction to, that is your Python first lecture, first or second lecture, some of the features available. That means year wise you can your feature sheet update and you can updated your version. Okay, that is first lecture we are already seen Python release in actually when released in Python, that is a first version, that is a in 1991, that is 0.94 version is released. After that we are already seen that first lecture. After that 1994 Python 1.0 was released. Okay, after that then 1995 Python 1.2 version released. After that Python 1.4 Python released new features, just like what are the features available 1.4, keyboard argument, built-in support for complex number, basic from data hiding through name management. That means you can invent new version of Python automatically invent also feature, just like you already aware of the WhatsApp. What happened WhatsApp? Everyone sending updates, you update and use that feature. Same happen with your Python also. Correct? That means new feature added in Python. That means this manual available here for set the path. But already you installation 3.7, no need for set the path. Simply click on that, check mark of that 3.7, that is add to path. And in this process you can automatically do install. Only simple click on your install windows, automatically to install your Python version. Now again we will see one by one. In 2000 Python 2.0 was version release, introduced for the new feature, that is a comprehensive similar to the Haskell's introduced garbage collections. Again 2001 Python 2.2 was the release, including of the some features. What are the some features? We already see, that is a unification of types of classes into one, hierarchy, making Python object model purely object oriented, and generates where added, that is a function like iterator behaviors. Okay, these are the history of your Python. Here, see here, going on for the installation process. That means setup takes some minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. At that time installation, check that bits, whatever the bits available. How to check your system configuration? If anybody know about that, simply click on your start, simply click on computer, right click and properties. That properties you can see your that version, your system, that is system type, that is 32-bit operating system. See here. Okay, every system, if you suppose you don't know about how to know the system configurations, such step of a go to start, right click on my computer, system type 32-bit operating system available. Using that you can download your version also. Getting? See here, installation setup is going on. Those are we have the downloaded and double click that particular setup. Simply here setup, that is a going on. See all the features mentioned here: TCL, TK support, 32-bit. All such type of a support to display here. Okay, minimize this. Here, see here, where I have already installed one more version, that is simply. Then Suppose consider this is installation process is complete and you go to start. How to start your Python? Go here, click for Python. Here you search that Python already available, ideal Python 3.6 already version available here. You can install multiple version on your system. In this system available already 3.6.3 version. Simply click on that ideal version, then one window is open up. That is that Python 3.6.4, that is whatever version you. When is on that version? That is December 19, 2017, and timing also when launch on that. That is a copyright credit slicer. This window that is available, that is particular for your see here, particular that is a command prompt of Python. Suppose you type A and enter here, that is an error to display. Why error to display? Because you not any value assigned that particular A variable. Simply you assign any value A equal to 5, then press the enter. Automatically second comma you only enter. Automatically whatever value assigned that A variable to display here. See here, that is a 5 value to display here. Again same example, B equal to 6. Okay, you print B here, that is a display as 6. Suppose you want to addition of these two numbers, it is C equal to A plus B. Okay, simply here you mention C, automatically addition display as 11. C. Now how is simple in Python? Addition of two numbers. What you done here? Only simple take the two variables, value assign the two variables, and simply third variable store that value 11. That means no need to any coding, no need to any put any library files in your. Okay, that is a very simple in your Python. That is a now ML, machine learning and artificial intelligence preference given for that particular Python program. This is for command prompt. Suppose you don't want to work on that command prompt, you are the complexity form with that. Then again go to simple that file and click on that particular new file. One notepad file type is created. Open. You can type here also directly A equal to 5 and B equal to 6. Now here perform your additions. A C equal to A plus B. Now what happens A plus B? You want to addition of that. Finally write print in C. Okay, that means this is your simple addition program. Okay, what happens suppose you want to do in addition program in C? There is a 10 line mandatory to write down hash mark include studio.a, new.a, then function start with the bracket, wide main function, print, enter the two values, scan in this way. But here what actually we have did, simply write down 4 lines. Whatever the command prompt we have performed, same happen with here also. That means A equal to 5, A equal to 6, C equal to A plus B, print C. Automatically your program addition program finished. Now click on run. This first this asks system to you, source must be save your file. You click on OK. First save your file. Okay, suppose save your file, that is a suppose demo 1.py. Remember that just like C, what happens C, you save program in C language using of extension C. Here use of your extension .py. Simply demo 1.py. Save here, automatically output display. That is output display here. That is for your C here. That is start. That is output display here. That means output display in command. Remember that thing. Okay. Again open that window. You want to subtraction. Simply change the sign. Again go to run and run mode. Otherwise press the F5. Click on OK. Automatic display output here. See that thing. That no need to use operation. Lot of operation. Automatically perform. Okay, see here. What is the output that you display? -1. Whatever. Now you want to your multiplications. What happen? Simply here write down your multiplication multiplied symbol, that is this. Automatically again to run your program, ask for save and output display multiplication. What is multiplication? Output display as a 30. 5 into 6 are 30. If you want to divisions, again simply change the symbol. That means very simple in Python. Whatever operation you perform, this no need to write down header files or this thing something. Okay. Again you have divide operations. Okay. Then this is output, that 0.83. Okay, understand each and every you can perform also practice, do your practice at home, your system also. Okay, thank you.